Woo, Gracie, you got something set out for supper tonight? I'm tired, it's getting late, and still trying to get over this crud. Yeah. Oh yeah, she does got something set out. Right here. Oh, this will be just right. Something quick. And it's got that little taste of old Mexico. Yeah, right here. In one package. It'll be okay. Oh, well, hello, friends and family. Didn't see you standing there, and as you can see, still trying to get over that crud. You know, runny nose, sore throat, watery, itchy eyes, all that kind of stuff. But we're making progress. Yes, we are. But hey, I am so glad that you could stop by tonight, spend a little time with us here in Mr. Tom's little old country kitchen. You know, Mr. Tom's neighborhood. Yeah, we're always doing it real. We don't make it up. So yeah, if you got the minute and got the time, pull up a chair, grab a cold drink and a snack, and come on, let me show you what Gracie got out for us to have for just a little taste of old Mexico tonight, if you want to. So what did Gracie pull out of the freezer tonight for us to have a little taste of old Mexico? Well, she got us out one of these El Monterey signature dishes. Beef enchiladas. 2 beef enchiladas topped with a zesty chipotle sauce, Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese, served with a Spanish style rice. Oh yeah, comes with 21 grams of protein per serving. Yeah, let's look at the back. And of course, it's microwavable too. So that'll make it all the more better for us. I'm not going to read through the list of all the ingredients. You know how it is. Yep, it's processed food. And it might not be the best for us, but it's what we're going to do tonight. Because I'm still not up to cooking much as I fight through whatever it is that I've caught. But it's got 460 calories. Oh, total fat is 19 grams, 24%. Saturated fat, 35%. No trans fat. 40 milligrams of cholesterol, 13%. Sodium, yeah, these processed meals are always high in sodium, 38%. But I haven't had any salt today, so I don't think that's going to matter. Total carbohydrates are 53 grams for 19% of your daily value. It does have some dietary fiber at 3 grams for 11%. And total sugars is 4 grams, 0 grams added sugar. So that's okay. And like I say, 21 grams of protein. And it's even got a few vitamins in it. Calcium, 20% of your daily value. Potassium, 8%. And iron, 20%. So, it's nice and easy. Quick and peasy. So let's get it in the microwave and see how it all comes out. And maybe I'll just jazz it up a little bit too. So we're going to take it over here and toss it in the old microwave. Now my microwave ain't dirty. It's just old and rusted inside. Thousands of meals have been cooked inside this old microwave. It's 900 watts. So it says 4 minutes and 50 seconds total cooking time, but I already know with my 900 watt microwave it'll take a little longer, and it says to break that time in half, and we got to do something in between, and that's when I'm going to jazz it up. So we'll put it in there on the old carousel, close the door, and set our timer for 3 minutes instead of the 2 minutes and 30 seconds that it said. And we'll just start it up. It'll get to rotating. Then we're going to go grab a fork and some other things so we can make it much nicer still. So we've had it in the microwave for 3 minutes, and we're going to take off the plastic wrap right there. And what it says do is stir up this here Mexican style rice with black beans. So let's give that a go. Just turn it around so you can see it better. Ooh, look there, it smells good. We'll just give that a little stirry. The cheese is starting to melt. Okay, now what we're going to do is now I'm going to add in some more salsa and some more Mexican cheese. So let's take a little of this here Clover Valley medium, thick, and chunky salsa. We're just going to add that right on top of those beef enchiladas. I think it'll make it more better. And, you know, we need our lycopene. And I like a lot of salsa. And then we're going to add in some of this Mexican style cheese. Right here, from the fine folks at Dutch Farms. Can never have enough cheese, can you? Especially when you're feeling down. And there we go. That's definitely going to make it all the more better, don't you know? Now all we have to do is cover it back up, put a little plastic wrap back on it, best we can, just like that, and back in the microwave it'll go. But this time, we're just going to put it in for 2 minutes more, and we'll be back. And here it is, after another 2 minutes, in our nuclear oven, aka the microwave. Ooh, look at that. It's all nice and bubbly. Ooh, let's get this plastic off, because it is hot. Look at that right there. Ooh, can you see that steam rising? That flavor, you can definitely smell it. For what it is, it's got the house smelling fine. And I didn't have to cook it. And I can't wait to give it a try. Let me know in the comments below the video. Have you tried the beef enchiladas from El Monterey? They also come with chicken enchiladas and a premium steak enchilada too, for the amazing price of just $4.37 at my local Walmart. I don't think that's too bad. It's definitely better than making a run for the border at Taco Bell. Woo, now we just got to give it a taste test. Try some of this Mexican style rice and black beans and some of these beef enchiladas. What do y'all think? Let's give it a little taste test. Got a little bit of that Mexican rice and black beans right here. Let's see what that tastes like. Not bad, if I do say so myself. Let's give that beefy enchilada a little try. You know, we jazzed it up with a little more salsa and a little more Mexican cheese. We got a nice bite here. It's hot. I'll tell you what, that ain't bad for what it is. And for $4.37, I don't think you can beat it. Not even with a stick. Now, yeah, I make a better beef enchilada, but these are really flavorful. They got just a touch of spice and heat, and plenty of beef. So I'm really going to enjoy this. But hey y'all, it is really late. Past 9 o'clock. Now, I haven't eaten since breakfast. I just wanted to come on and show you I was still alive, still trying to get over the crud, and what I do when I'm just not up to cooking. And I want a little taste of old Mexico. So yeah, I'm glad y'all could stop by. And like always, till we see you on that next episode of Mr. Tom's Neighborhood, y'all take care. Stay safe out there. And may God bless you all. Did you bless those in your lives? You know we love you for stopping by. Goodbye for now. Ooh, I wonder if my friends and family ever have tried the touch of Mexico from El Monterey. Ooh, I'm glad I do. Oh, later all.